So good morning everyone. So in last class we have studied our exercise 5. In that the first bit is completed. So second bit, express the following in rupees as decimals. So we have to express a given paisa value. They have given the value in paisa. We have to convert into rupee. Okay, so using decimals. Okay, so what is the first one? First one is the second bit. What is second bit? Express the following as rupees using decimals. Okay, so in that the first one is 9 paisa. Okay, so this 9 paisa we have to convert in the form of decimals. So how to convert? We have to convert in decimals in rupees also. So what is how many rupees will be equals to 1 paisa is 1 rupee is equals to how many paisas? That will be 100 paisas. So already we know that. So we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. Okay, so this 9 pies we have to convert into rupees now. So 9 pies is equals to how many rupees? That is, we have to find. X is nothing but we have to find that value. So what we are doing here? We are doing cross multiplication. So it will be 100x will be equals to 9. 100 into x is 100x. 1 into 9 will be 9. Send this 100 to other side. That will become division because it is in the form of multiplication. So 9 by 100. So 9 by 100, how you can write this? 9 by 100 we can write in the form of 0.09. How I wrote this 0.09? In denominator you have 2 zeros. Okay, so if you want to remove this denominator, in numerator after 2 digits we have to place a point. So this is the first number, first 0. Second number we don't have any zeros. I am placing it as 0 point. Okay, so that is how much? Now x is equals to 0.09 rupees. So we have converted paisa into rupees. That is 0.09 rupees. So this is how you will convert. So if you want, you can divide this. In 100 table 9 will not go. So what you will do? 0.0 you will keep. Okay. In 100 table 90 will also not go. So what you will do? 0.0. Now 100 nines will be equals to 900. You got the remainder as 0. The same value we got here. 0.09 rupees. So this is our first one. Next one. Second one is 77 rupees 7 pies. So already this 77 they have given in the form of rupees. So no need of conversion for that. Only we have to convert this 7 pies. So here given 7 rupees 7 pies. So already we know that 7 pies is equals to 7 by 100 rupees. So 77 rupees I am writing as it is. So we can 7 pies can written in the form of 7 by 100. Okay, 7 by 100 is what? 7 by 100 is nothing but 0.07. So 77.07. So how I wrote this? 77 plus 7 by 100. So 77 plus 7 by 100 is nothing but 0.07. In place of this 0, you will get it as 77. So 77.07 rupees. So what is the answer here? 77 rupees, 7 paisa can be written in the form of 77.07 rupees. So this is our second one. Next, third one. 235 paisa. Pies. So what they have given? 235 pies So we know that 1 pice is equals to 100, 1 rupee is equals to 100 pice. So we have to divide with 100 here. So it will be 235 by 100 rupees. So we have to convert into decimal. So in denominator you are having 2 zeros. So after 2 numbers you have to place a point. That is 2.35 rupees. So what is 235 pice is equals to 2 rupees 35 pice. That is 2.35 rupees. So this is our second bit. Next is, so already we know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 pice. So I have divided all the pice with 100 here. Okay. So next equation. So next third bit. What is third bit? Express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. Okay, so already they have given one box here, that is 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. And 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So by using these conversions, we have to find that now. Okay, that is 110 centimeters we have to convert into meters, as well as we have to convert into kilometers. So first we will convert this centimeters to meters. So here what is the given question? They have given 10 centimeters. This 10 centimeters we have convert into meters. So already we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So what we know? We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters by that table. Okay, so now 10 centimeters is equals to how many meters we have to find? So this x is an unknown value. So what we will do now? We will do cross multiplication. That is 100 into x will be 100x. 10 into 1 will be 10. Send that 100 to other side. That will become division. So it will be 10 by 100. Okay, so in denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So after 2 numbers we have to place a point. 1 0, 1 number, 2 0, second number. Zeros completed, numbers completed. So the point should be before 10. So it will be 0.10 meters. So we got 10 centimeters is equals to 0.10 meters. Now this meters we have to convert into kilometers. Already we know that 1 meter is equals to how many kilometers? Sorry, 1000 meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So we will apply that conversion now. So then we got that 0.10 meter. So this one we have to convert into kilometers now. So we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now we have to find 0.10 meters is equals to how many kilometers. So here we will do cross multiplication. Okay. So after doing the cross multiplication, it will be 1000x is equals to 0.10. Okay. Now send this 1000 to other side. That will become division. So x will be equals to 0.10 by 1000. So after point you are having 2 digits. So if you want to remove this point, we have to place 2 zeros in denominator. So it will be how much? It will be x is equals to 10 by 1000 plus after point you are having 2 digits. So if you are removing this point, in denominator we have to place 2 more zeros. Okay. So now how many zeros are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should place point before how many digits now? 5 zeros. We have to place a point before 5 digits. So x is equals to first 0 first number, second 0 second number, third 0 third number, fourth 0 no number, so we have to take it as 0. Fifth number, no number. Fifth 0, no number means we have to take it as 0. All zeros completed, all numbers completed, 0.0. So it will be equals to 0.00010 kilometers. So that is 0.10 meters will be equals to 0.00010 kilometers. So this is how you will convert meters to kilometers. So what we did first, for 10 centimeters we have converted into meters. By using which conversion? 1 meter is equals to 1000 centimeters. 10 centimeters is equals to how many meters we have to find. So if you do cross multiplication, you got that 0.10 meters. Directly you can divide this also. I did with direct conversion. So here 2 zeros in denominator, 2 zeros are there. So before two numbers I have kept a point. Okay, now it has become 0.10 meters. So 10 centimeters is equals to 0.10 meters. Now this value we have to convert into kilometers. So which conversion I have used? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. This conversion I have used. So here 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 0.10 meter is equals to how many kilometers we have to find. Do cross multiplication. 1000 x will be equals to 0.10. So x will be equals to 0.10 by 1000. So if you remove the point in denominator, you will get 2 zeros because after point you are having 2 digits. So it will become 010 by 100000. Okay. Now how to place a point now? In denominator, how many zeros are there? Total 5 zeros are there. So before 5 numbers, you have to place a point. So first 0, first number, second 0, second number, third 0, third number, fourth 0, no number, so we have to place it as 0. Fifth 0, no number, so we have to place it as 0.0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the x value? 0.00010 kilometers. So this is our third bit. In this second one, so now 45 millimeters we have to convert into centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, this 45 millimeter we have to convert into centimeters, meters and kilometers. So first this millimeter we will convert into centimeter. Given 45 millimeters. So this 45 millimeters we have to convert into meters first, centimeters first. So which conversion we can use? The first conversion we can use. It is 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. We have to find how many millimeters. This 45 millimeters is equals to how many centimeters we have to find. So here 45 millimeters is equals to how many centimeters. Do cross multiplication here. It will be 10x is equals to 45. If I transpose this 10 to other side, that will become division because it is in the form of multiplication. So x is equals to 45 by 10. So in denominator, how many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. That means after one number, we have to place a point. 4.5 centimeters. So here 45 millimeters is equals to 4.5 centimeters. If you want, you can directly divide this also. So 45 divided by 10. 10 fours is 40. 5 will not go in 10 table. So 0.0. 10 fives is 50. So you got the same answer. It is 4.5 centimeters. Now this centimeters we have to convert in which? We have to convert in meters. Okay, so this centimeters value we have to convert in meters now. So centimeter to meter, what is the conversion? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Now this 4.5 centimeters is equals to how many meters we have to find? So 4.5 centimeters is equals to how many meters? Okay, now you do cross multiplication. That will be equals to 100x is equals to 4.5. transpose this 100 to other side. So it will be 4.5 by 100. Okay, so here I am removing the point. After point you are having only one digit. So if you are removing the point in denominator, you have to place 1 0. So x is equals to 45 by 1000 it became. Okay, now in denominator how many zeros are there? Total 3 zeros are there. So we have to place a point before 3 numbers in numerator. So first 0, first number, second 0, second number, third 0 we don't have any number, so we will place it as 0. 3 zeros, 3 numbers completed, point 0. So this is how much that this has been converted into meters. So here we got it as, we got 4.5 centimeters as 0.045 meters. So this is our conversion for meters. Now meters we have to convert into kilometers. So which conversion we are using? We are using this one, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Okay, now 0.045 meters is equals to how many kilometers you have to find. So here 0.045 meters is equals to how many kilometers. So we can do cross multiplication. Okay, so that will be 1000 meters is equals to 0.045. If you transpose this 1000 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 0.045 by 1000. So after point, how many zeros are there? How many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So if you want to remove this point, in denominator you have to place 3 zeros. So x is equals to 0.045. I have removed the point. After point, how many zeros are there? 3. So with this, along 3 zeros, we have to place 3 more zeros. Okay, now total number of zeros are how many? 6. So we have to place a point before 3 numbers in numerator. So x will be equals to first 0, first number, second 0, second number, third 0, third number, fourth 0, fourth number, fifth 0, we don't have any number, so we will take it as 0. Sixth 0, no number, so 0. Zeros completed, numbers completed, point 0. So this will be equals to kilometers. What is that? X is equals to 0.00045 kilometers. So this is a conversion for 45 millimeters in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, so this is our third bit. So next is fourth bit. Express the following in kilograms. Now we have to express the following in kilograms. So express the following in kilograms. So what is the first one? First one is 190 grams. Okay, so this 190 grams we have to convert into kilograms. So given 190 grams. So what is the conversion here? 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Already we know this. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So here 190 grams is equals to how many kgs we have to find. Okay. So here cross multiplication. 1000 x is equals to 190. Transpose this 1000 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 190 by 1000. So in denominator, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So before 3 numbers, we have to place a point. So x is equals to first 0, first number, second 0, second number, third 0, third number. So zeros completed, numbers completed, point 0. So this is in the form of kg, that is 190 grams will be equals to 0.190 kgs. So this is our first one. Second one is 247 grams. So again this we have to convert into kilograms directly. I am dividing the 247 with 1000 now. So here given 247 grams, so we can divide with 1000 now. So how many zeros are there in denominator? 3. So before 3 numbers we have to place a point. First zero first number, second zero second number, third zero third number, zeros completed, numbers completed, 0.0. So this is kg. So this is 0.247 kgs. Okay, next third one. 44 kgs, 80 grams. So already kgs, no need of conversion, only grams we have to convert. So here given 44 kgs, 80 grams. So we can write it as 44 plus 80 grams we have to convert into kilograms. That is we can divide with 1000. So 80 by 1000. So 44 plus 3 zeros. Before 3 numbers you have to place a point. First zero first number, second zero second number, third zero no number, so 0. Numbers completed 0 completed 0.0. So if you add these two, that will be 44.080 kgs. So we have converted this 44 kgs 80 grams in the form of 44.080 kgs. So this is our fourth bit. Next fifth bit, write the following decimals in expanded form. Now we have to expand the numbers. Fifth bit, write the following in expanded form. So in that the first one, already I told you how to expand the numbers. So 55.5. So before point is a whole number part and the after point value is fractional part. So already I told you that before point the place value starts from ones and tens. After point it will start from 10th part. Okay, so how to expand now? 5 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 5 is in 10th part, that is 5 into 1 by 10. Okay, so 5 into 10 is 50 plus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 5 ones is 5, that is 5 by 10. So this is the expansion form for the first one. Second one, that is 5.55. Given 5.55. So first write the place values. Before point it will start from ones. After point it will start from 10th, 100th and so on. So we can write this as 5 into 1 plus 5 is in 10th part, that is a 5 into 1 by 10 plus 5 is in 100th part, that is a 5 into 1 by 100. Now convert this. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 5 into 1 is 5 by 10 plus 5 into 1 is 5 by 100. So this is our expansion for the given question. Third one, 303.03. Again first write the place values. So before point it will start from ones, tens and hundreds. After point starts from 10th and 100th. So here given 303.03. So ones, tens, hundreds, 10th, 100th. So it will be 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 0 is in 10th part, that is 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Now multiply the terms each and other. So 3 into 100 is 300 plus 0 into 10 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 0 into 1 will be 0 by 10. 3 into 1 will be 3 by 100. So this is the expansion for the third question. Okay. So next is fourth one. 30.303. So first write the place values. Ones, tens. This is 10th part, 100th part, and this is 1000th part. Okay. So now whole number part expansion we will do. 3 into 10 plus 0 into 1. 3 is in 10th part, that is 3 into 1 by 10 plus 0 is in 100th part, that is 0 into 1 by 100 plus 3 is in 1000th part, so 3 into 1 by 1000. Okay, so now multiply the terms. 3 into 10 is 30 plus 0 plus 3 into 1 is 3, that is 3 by 10 plus 0 into 1 is 0 by 100 plus 3 into 1 is 3, that is 3 by 1000. So this is the expansion for the fourth one. Next one. 1234.56. Given 1234.56. Now first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10th part, 100th part. Okay, now you expand the value. 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus here 5 is in 10th part, that is 5 into 1 by 10 plus 3 is in 100, 6 is in 100th part, that's 6 into 1 by 100. Now you can expand. 1 into 1000 is 1000 plus 2 into 100 is 200, 3 into 10 is 30, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 1 is 5 by 10, plus 6 into 1 is 6 by 100. So this is the expansion of last bit in that question. Okay, so next bit. We have to write the place values of the given number. Only place value of 3 we have to write. So here, this is the sixth bit. We have to write only the place value. So in that first one is 3.46. So 3 is in which place? They have given 3.46. So before point will start from 0. Once, this is 10th part. This is 100th part. Now 3 is in which place? That is ones place. So 3 is in ones place. Only about 3 they are asking. So second one, 32.46. So where is 3 now? Write the place values. Ones, tens, 10th, 100th. Now 3 is in which part? Which place value? That is tens. So 3 is in tens place. Okay, so next one, third one, 7.43. So again we have to write the place value of 3. So given 7.43, this is ones, 10th, and this is 100th. Now 3 is in 100th place. So 3 is in 100th place. Okay. So next is fourth one. 90.30. Now where is 3? What is the place value of 3? We have to find. So given 90.30 ones, tens, tenth, hundred. So 3 is in 10th part now. So 3 is in 10th place. Now last one in this bit. 794.037. So write the place values first. This is ones, tens, hundreds. This is tenth, hundred, and this is thousand. Okay, now 3 is in which place? That is 100th place. So 3 is in 100th place. So this is our 6th bit. So with this 6th bit is completed. 2 more problems are there in this exercise to continue. So that problems will discuss in next class. Thank you.